Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance using an easy method. We begin with top rock, which is your standing dance. It sets the stage and helps you find your rhythm. Try the Indian step by crossing your feet and tapping, or the cross step, moving side to side. Keep your movements fluid and connect with the music. This foundation is crucial for everything else. Next, let's move to the floor with some basic footwork. A smooth transition is key. Try a simple drop or sweep to get down. The sixth step is essential. It involves 6 distinct movements, creating a circular pattern on the floor. Practice moving your feet around your hands, keeping your core engaged. Aim for fluidity and control in every step. Now, let's add some freezes, which are static poses. The baby freeze is a great starting point. Place your head on the floor and your elbow firmly into your hip, using your hands for support. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds, engaging your core muscles. This builds strength and balance, crucial for more advanced moves later on. Finally, it's all about practice and finding your flow. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing each move. Try connecting your top rock to your footwork and then into a freeze. Don't be afraid to experiment and develop your own unique style. Remember, breakdancing is about expression and having fun with the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.